Okay, today we will have just a small recap on subtraction and then we will move on to the activity. Okay, Kanna? Yes. So, what do you mean by subtraction? Subtraction means take away or give away. Yes, na? Yes, these are the things which you already know, right? Yes. So, now we will see the next one. Symbol of subtraction. What is the symbol of subtraction? It is a small sleeping line which we called it as minus. Yes, na. You have your rough note with you, right? Whenever you come to the math class, you must have a rough note and a pencil along with you, right? Yes. So put a small minus symbol in your note. Yes, very good. Okay, so how we will say the statement of subtraction? 5 minus 3 equal to 2. 5 minus 3 equal to 2. Why we are putting minus symbol here? Why? Because we are doing the subtraction. Yes, na? That's why we are putting minus symbol. Okay, Rakanna? Yes, now we will move on to the workbook writing. Okay, last class also we were to do the workbook, but we didn't do that. So now we can do the workbook. Okay, Kanna? Yes, those who have the workbook, you can write it in it. Or else, if you don't have, no problem, you can write it and practice in your rough note itself. Okay? Yes. Now, have you all taken your workbook? A pencil? Okay, superb. Now we will move on to the writing part. Yes, what is this? 2. Solve the following subtraction problems. You could draw pictures or use the number line. Some of these can be solved by using the subtraction rules. Yes, these things we can do it in our mind calculation itself, right? You people are very intelligent. Yes, na. Yes, we no need to draw the number lines or we no need to draw the pictorial representation, all those things. Yes, we can just do it by our mind calculation itself. Yeah, parents, can you mute your audio? Okay, thank you so much. So now we will see the first one. Okay, Kana. 6 minus 3. Okay, the first sum is 6 minus 3. Okay, what is the biggest number here? The biggest
Sorry, ma'am.
number.
Niralia, kindly unmute yourself. Sorry, mute yourself. Niralia. Sridhar sir.
Yes, ma'am. What to do, ma'am?
Niralia, unmute them. Thank you, sir.
Very good, ma'am.
Sir, kindly mute Niralia, sir. Yeah, you are on, ma'am? Yeah, you can start. Sorry.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So, what is the bigger number here? Yes, of course, 6 is the bigger number. So, the bigger number, we have to keep it in our mind. Yes, na? Yes. Okay, so we can say it as 6 in the mind. And what is the next number here? It is 3. So, 3 we have to leave in our fingers. So, leave 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So, now we can say the statement. 6 in the mind, 3 in the finger. In subtraction, do you remember that the ribbit frog will be going in the backward direction so that we will get the answers in the before numbers. Backward counting, before numbers. Okay, Kanna? So, before 6, 5, 4, 3. So, where we are stopping it? We are stopping it in number 3. So, the answer which we get for 6 minus 3 is 3. Superb. Can we also do this with the cross out rule? Yes. See here. So, what is the first number here? It is 6. So, ma'am is going to draw 6 sticks here. Tick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so now I have drawn 6 ticks here. Okay, Kanna. So now what is the second number? It is 3. Take away is -3. So I'm going to strike out 3. I'm going to strike out 3 in the backward direction. Can we do it? Yes. 1, 2, 3. So I have striked out 3. Okay, so what is the remaining ticks here? 1, 2, 3, right? Yes. So the answer which we get for this is 3. Superb. So you can use any method and you can get the answer for this subtraction sums problems. Okay, Kanna. So the rest of the sums is for your practice. You can use either the number line or mind calculation or pictorial representation or whatever it is. You can use any subtraction method and you can do the rest of the problems. Okay, now we will move on to the next slide. Yes, worksheet 3. In subtraction, we are going to see worksheet 3. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Okay, no problem. We can do all the sums. Okay, so 4, what is the first sum here? It is 4 minus 0. Yes, last class we saw right in the properties. Do you remember the properties? Yes, whenever we minus 0, that is we take away 0 from any number, we will be getting the same number as the answer. Yes, now when we subtract 0 from any number, we will be getting the same number as the answer. So 4 minus 0 gives you the answer as 4. Okay, Kanna. Likewise, 7 minus 0. Here, subtracting minus 0 here. So the answer will be the 7 itself. Here, 8 minus 0. Okay, 0 comes here. So the same answer, 8 itself will be coming here. Here, minus 0 again. Yes, so 9 minus 0 gives you the answer as 9 itself. Okay, Kanna. So I will put one more sum also for you here. H sum. We are going to see the H sum. They have given minus 0 only. Okay, so we have to find what number we have to put in this box. Okay, so the answer they have given as 7. When we will get the 7? Yes, again we are going into the property of minus 0. When we subtract 0 with any number, we will be getting the answer as same number, right? So the same number will be moved to the question. So the answer in the box will be, that is in the dash, will be 7. When we put 7 minus 0, we will get the answer as 7. Okay, Kanna, is it easy for you now? Yes, see again, see the sum in the I sum. See the sum, minus 0 equal to 1. So what will be the answer for this? Yes, the same rule applies here. When we subtract minus 0 from any number, we will get the answer as same number. So the answer for this is 1. 1 minus 0 gives you 1 as the answer. Superb. So we all did the worksheets. Yes, now this is very easy for you. Second one, complete the following. When we subtract the same number, we will be getting the answer as 0. Yes. 2 minus 2 gives you the answer as 0. When we subtract the same number, that means if you have 2 chocolates with you and you ate all the 2 chocolates. So how many chocolates will be remaining in your hand? Nothing, right? Nothing means 0. Yes. So when we take away the same number, same object from any number, we will be getting the answer as 0. So see here, first sum, 8 minus 8, same number, 8 minus 8. You have 8 chocolates and you ate all the 8 chocolates. So what will be remaining in your hand? Nothing will be remaining in your hand. Nothing means what? It is 0. Super. Okay, the same number. When we subtract the same number, you will be getting the 0 as answer. Okay, now we will move on to the next one. Complete the following. 9 minus 8. 9 minus 8. See the first one. 9 minus 8. What is the before number of 9? It is 8, right? Yes, when we subtract a number with its before number, we will get the answer as 1. Yes, na? So, they have given the problem as 9 minus 8 equal to what? Okay, the before number of 9 is 8. So, when we subtract the before number to any number, we will be getting the answer as 1. Okay? Okay, now a small activity for you. What you are going to do is you are going to leave 9 fingers in your hands. Quick, make it fast. 9 fingers. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Have you all left 9 fingers in your hands? Yes, superb. Now what you're going to do is, what is the second number here? It is minus 8. So you are going to fold 8 fingers. Can we fold 8 fingers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now we have folded 8 fingers. So now, how many fingers are left out? Yes, it is only 1, right? Yes, so we got the answer as 1 and we also checked it, how it came. Yes, now? Okay, the rest of the sum is for your practice. Now it is the time for activity. Sukanya ma'am will be taking over the session. Thank you.
Thank you, Varani ma'am. Yes, children, we are going to start our activity. Are you all ready with the things which ma'am asked? A plain paper and any one property. Maybe it may be a grains, it may be your pencil shapes, it may be nuts. See, ma'am is having the pista nuts, grains and broomstick. Okay, are you all ready? Shall we start our activity? Yes, come on. See, at the last you should show your activity. Okay, so ma'am will give the instruction. You should follow the instruction and you should do the activity. Okay, see, we were seeing with the rhymes, with the stories, with the live activity, and now we are going to do the project activity for addition and subtraction. Ready? We are all going to enjoy now. Yes, come on. See, come on, take your paper, all your things, gum and sit straight. Ma'am will give the instruction. Whenever ma'am is saying, you should do there. Okay? Yes, see, ma'am is ready with my paper, my pencil and all the properties. Yes, come on, you also get ready. Shall we start? Yes, as. Okay, we'll go for the next slide, ma'am. Next slide. Yes, come on, get ready. Yes, see, take the paper. Have you all took? Took? Yes. In the corner, in the left hand side corner, write date. Yuvarani ma'am, can you lightly zoom it? Write the date. Yes. Write the date. Write date. Have you all written? D-A-T-E. Write the date. Ready? Have you written? Very good. What is today's date? It's? Yes, right. Today's date there. Yes. Write today's date. It's 9 July 9.7 2020. Write today's date. Have you all written? Yes, very good. Then the next slide. Yes, have you all written the date? Yes, in the right hand side corner, write your name. In the right hand side corner, write your name. See, write your name. See, for example, if your name is Krishiv, if your name is Sanjay, write your name there. and with your class. You all belong to one E and one F, right? So, write your name and write your class in the right hand side top. Finish? Yes. Now, have you all written your name? Have you all written the class? Yes, very good. Now, shall we go to the next one? Have you all finished it? Name and class? Yes. Now we are going to go to the next slide. Yes. It's what we are going to do today. We are going to do what activity? It's an maths activity, right? So, write there maths activity. Right? Maths activity. In the middle you write. Write the spelling. See the spelling and write M-A-T-H. Yes, maths. Then leave a small space and write activity. A-C-T-I-V-I-T-Y. Activity. Maths activity. Have you all written? Have you all written the maths activity? Yes? Yes. See, you should write date, name, class and maths activity. Yes. Then, the next one, what you are going to write? You are going to write addition. See, we are going to do activity on addition and subtraction, right? So, next down to the maths activity, write addition. Addition meant what? Putting things together. You all remember? Addition means putting things together. Yes, what's the spelling of addition? A-D-D. Right. I-T-I-O-N. Addition. Have you all written the spelling of addition? And what is the symbol of addition? It's plus. It's plus. Have you all written? Yes. How shall we start our activity? Yes. What number shall we take? Shall we take 3? Yes. Come on, you also write 3 there. 3. Write 3. Have you all written? Yes. What is the symbol of addition? It's plus. What is the symbol of addition? Plus. Yes. Have you all written plus? And shall we take 2? Yes. Come on, write 2. 3 plus 2. Right? Have you all written? Ma'am will wait for you for a second, right? 3 plus 2 equal to. Shall we find the answer? Shall we? Yes. See? Next slide. Ma'am is going to show you a surprise now. Yes. See? Ma'am is having a pista cover. Yes. See, if you eat pista, you will get strength, right? So, ask your mother and eat, okay? So, ma'am is having pista. Then, pencil shapes. See, when you sharp your pencil, you will be getting that waste, no? That is known as pencil shapes. Then, grain. See, ma'am is using grains here. What is that grain? That is the, yes, in sambar, ma'am will put the parupu, right? Amma will put parupu, right? Yes, that parupu only. Tur dal. Yes, that grains. And broomstick. Then, the broomstick, the small stick I took. Okay, with this only we are going to do our activity today. With this only we are going to do activity today. Yes, so ma'am is going to take the pencil shave now. Ma'am is going to take the pencil shave and do the activity. Yes, shall we do? What is the first number we saw? We saw 3, right? So, take 3 shapes. You can take anything, whatever you have, you can take. See, if you have the bits of paper also, you can take the paper and paste. If you have grains also, you can take grains. See, ma'am is having pencil shape, so ma'am is going to do with the pencil waste. Okay, so for 3, ma'am has taken 3 pencil shape. What you are taking? You are taking grains? Yes, then means take 3 grains. If you are taking stick, means take 3 sticks. Okay, yes, come on. Take 3. Ma'am is taking 3 slaves. Then I'm going to stick it. Then what is the next number? It is 2. So I have taken 2. Now I am going to stick it. I am going to stick stick it. See, if you have bindi also, you can take. Okay, but don't waste. Okay, if it is not in use only, you should take. Don't waste the product. Okay, because we are going to do with the waste material. We are going to do with the waste materials only. Okay, okay. See, 3. I must stick the 3 and 2. Now all together. Addition means what? Addition means all together. Addition means all together. Yes, come on, count. How many pencil shapes are there? Yes, come on, count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5. So, ma'am is going to write in the dash as 5. Okay. Now, we are going to stick 5 slaves. We are going to stick there 5. Yes, come on. What you're sticking? You're sticking grains, right? Yes, come on, stick 5. Ma'am will wait for you for a second. You also do along with ma'am. Yes, come on, do. Are you all sticking? Yes. Yes, come on, do. Are you all enjoying? Yes. I'll wait for a second, okay? Do it. So you should stick 3. Then you should write the symbol. Then again 2. Then what symbol? Equal to symbol. Then you should stick 5 pictures. Okay. See, if you're not having any gum or any pictures, no problem. You can draw also. Okay, with your pencil, you can draw any picture. For example, you can draw smiley, you can draw star. Okay, you can draw ball, you can draw tree. Okay. If you are not having anything, you can draw it. Okay, no problem that you should stick. That is not the problem. You can also, yes, you can also stick it. Sorry, you can also draw. Okay, now you all are familiar with addition. See, ma'am is drawing there. Yes. If you're not having gum or Fevicol, no problem. You can draw also. Okay, have you all finished addition? Have you all finished? Yeah. 3 plus 2 equal to 5. Okay, now shall we go to the next sum? Shall we go? Yes, next is subtraction. See, subtraction. What's the spelling of subtraction? Come on, you write in your notebook. Yes. U B T R A C
subtraction.
T I O N. Subtraction. Have you all written subtraction in your notebook? The paper? Yes? Yes. U B T R A C T I O N. Subtraction. Have you written subtraction? Okay. Now what is the symbol of subtraction? We should write there, right? What is the symbol? It is a small dash, a minus, a small dash minus. Yes, right there, right there. Yes. Now we will take the number 7 minus 3. We will take the number as 7 minus 3. Okay, see, ma'am is having nuts, grains, sticks, pencil shapes. So now ma'am is going to stick with the pista. Yes, with the cover. Okay, that is waste only. No, see, with the waste only ma'am is going to do. You should also do only with the waste. You should not waste any items. Okay, so now ma'am is going to take 7 shells. Ma'am is going to take 7 pista shells. Yes. Shall we stick there? Yes. If you have bits of paper also, you can stick the paper. Okay. Or else you can draw also. If you're not having anything to paste, for example, if you don't have Fevicol, you can draw it. Okay. So, see, I'm pasting 7. You also stick 7 there. 7 there. Yes. And What is the next number we have? We have 3. We have 3. Padmesh, kindly mute yourself. And the next number is minus 3. So, again we are going to stick 3 shells there. We are going to stick 3 shells there. So, 7 minus 3. Have you all finished sticking? Have you all finished drawing? Shall we go to the next slide? Yes. You're running, ma'am. Next slide. So 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3. See, ma'am has stuck 7 shells and 3 shells. Now, we are going to take 3 from 7. See, there are 7 shells. We are going to take away 3 from 7 shells. Shall we do with the mind calculation? Shall we do with the mind calculation and find the answer? Yes, come on. 7 in the mind. You also do 7 in the mind. 3 in the finger. 7 in the mind. 3 in the finger. Before 7. What is before 7? 6, 5, 4. Yes, we found the answer. The answer is 4. So 7 minus 3. We got the answer as 4. Now we are going to stick how many shells? We are going to stick 4. Shall we stick? Yes. Come on, we will write 4 there. Yes, now you stick 4 shells there. Finished? Okay, ma'am will wait for you. Do okay. So, 7 minus 3 equal to 4. Yes, with the mind calculation, we found the answer. Again, ma'am will repeat so that you do okay. 7 in the mind, 3 in the finger, before 7. See, for subtraction, you should say take before. Yes, backward numbers, right? So, before 7, 6, 5 and 4. Yes, so we got the answer as 4. See, if you have space, you can do some more sums, okay? Ma'am is having only small space. So, ma'am has done only one sum in addition and one sum in subtraction. If you have space, you can do more sums, okay? So, see, 7 minus 3 equal to 4. We found the answer. And now, ma'am is going to show you the final. Yes, see, you also do and show me. See, ma'am has finished the activity. Did you all finish the activity? Ma'am will wait for you 2 more minutes. Come on, do it, do it. You also do it. See, if you have space, you can do, yes, you can do 2 more sum. 1 in addition and 1 in subtraction. Okay. Don't forget to write your name. Don't forget to write your name. Okay. After finishing this, you can take a snap. You can take a photo and send it in our WhatsApp group. Okay. Yes. See, have you all finished the activity? Ma'am will wait for you for another 2 minutes. Yes, come on. If you have space, you itself take a number. Ask your mother to give a number and paste it. Yes, you can take any number. You can take any number. Yes. See, you can take any number. You can do with the grains. You can do with the broomsticks. You can do with the small tiny leaves. Okay. Okay. Have you all finished? Have you all finished? Okay, if finished means keep it aside. Let it dry for some time. We will finish our tables and then you can open your, you can unmute your video and show. Okay, now let it dry it. Okay, keep it aside. Those who finished your project, you can keep it aside. Yes. Have you all finished? Yes, keep it aside. Now, it's time for tables. Okay, shall we memorize our 2 table now? Yes, before going to the table, we will do a small exercise. Okay, yes, come on, blink your eyes, open and close, open your eyes, close, open, close. Yes, come on, open, close. Stretch your hands up, down, up, down. Yes, turn your head to the right side, left side, right, left. Okay. Admesh, kindly mute yourself. Okay. Now it's time for 2 tables. Okay. Yes, let your project dry for some time. The last 5 minutes, you can unmute your video and show the scrap your project. Okay. Yes. Come on, repeat along with me. You all know the skip counting of 2, right? Skip counting of 2. What will come when we skip count of 2? We will get 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. We'll be getting 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Yes. Now we are going to memorize 2 tables with the help of skip counting. Okay. Will you all repeat along with ma'am? Yes. Come on. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. Yes, as we studied only numbers from 0 to 9, we will stop in 2 fives are. Okay, come on, repeat again. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. Yes, now we finished our tables also. Yes, now it's time to show your activity. Have you all finished your activity? Yes, see, ma'am will call one by one. You can unmute your video and show your activity. Ready? Will you all show? Yes, have you all written your name in the activity? Yes, come on. Ma'am is going to call you one by one. You're going to unmute your video.